Durostar DS4850EH Dual Fuel Portable Generator. Of the 5 products that we are reviewing in this guide, this is the most affordable. Even if it is economical, it packs many innovative features, making it another option that is worth considering. What makes it stand out? It stands out because of its price. Despite the low cost, it has impressive technical specs. When using gasoline, it has peak power of 4,850 watts and running power of 3,850 watts. On the other hand, if using propane, it has a peak power of 4,608 watts and running power of 3,658 watts. What we like. With MX2 technology, you can get optimal power from the receptacles of this dual-fuel generator. You can run even power-hungry appliances, making it a dependable companion during power outages. Additionally, we like the low-oil shutoff, which is one of its safety features. It protects the internal components of the generator by automatically detecting the low level of oil and shutting down the unit when necessary. What we did not like. Despite the benefits, it also has some drawbacks. For instance, some people might not like how it has limited ports. The fuel tank is also small, which can hold only 3.96 gallons. As a result, the generator has a limited runtime. What are the alternatives? If you prefer a product with a larger tank and longer runtime, Duramax XP13000EH is one option that should be on your radar, even if it is expensive.
Champion Power Equipment 100165 Dual Fuel Generator. Is it your first time buying or using a dual fuel generator? You might want to consider this model. It is powerful but user-friendly. From starting the engine to maintaining the unit, you will love how intuitive it is. What makes it stand out? As noted, it stands out because of its ease of use. It has electric start, so you can power the engine through the toggle switch. Another feature that makes it user-friendly is the IntelliGauge, an exclusive feature that helps you easily monitor various stats, such as the runtime hours and voltage. What we like. With a 439 cubic centimeters engine, this is another generator that can provide exceptional power. When it runs on gasoline, it has 9,375 starting watts and 7,500 running watts. Meanwhile, when it runs on propane, it has 8,400 starting watts and 6,750 running watts. It is also a good thing that it can provide the best bang for the buck. Upon purchase, it is inclusive of oil. Plus, you will also receive an LPG hose with regulator to connect to your propane tank. We also like how it comes with a 3-year warranty. The manufacturer is confident of its quality, which is why they offer extensive support to their customers. What we did not like. One drawback of this product is that it is loud. It has 74 decibels of noise rating, which makes it easily noticeable when it runs. This can be a problem if you are sleeping, so make sure to position it far. What are the alternatives? If you are concerned about its noise output, then it is best to look at Champion 3400 watt and Durostar DS4850EH dual fuel generators. They are quieter and hence would be less intrusive, especially when you are camping.